a speed clean with me and cook with me in one video with great music? Yep, just keep watching. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristi if you're new, and if you're already in the K&H Society, then welcome back, y'all. So in today's video, I am going to do a clean and cook with me. It was a full day and I'm just going to take you along with me. Stay tuned for the middle because there's a fun, easy recipe that you could use on a weeknight when you're trying to get it together, girl. Let's go.
Try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. I don't say goodbye, I don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Whoa, you should know why. I'm a Gemini. My love, my love, my love. You found, you lost. Told me I was everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is all I see. Is that you now? Try to reconnect, but what do you want? You never seem to know. I have a feeling that we never really move on from our past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. So don't say goodbye, I don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, and my love, my love, my love. Don't say goodbye, and don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, don't go. My love, my love, don't do this now. I don't do this now. You should know why. My Gemini, don't go. My love, I love you.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring. I'm throwing up my gloves and knees. My back against the ropes. I got nowhere to go. I'm looking down the slope. I gotta strike a blow. 'Cause practice makes perfect, you know. This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take.
So what I did, I added this cream of celery soup into the boiling water, and I have cut up the chicken breast into like bite-sized pieces. And these are my chicken scissors. I only use them for chicken, as you can see. And so I'm going to now add a half a can of this, only a half a can to start, and then we'll put the noodles in once the water starts boiling again. Just want to make sure I have the right consistency before I do that. So guys, I've added about a quarter of this can, which would have probably been the equivalent of another small can, but my grocery store didn't have any. So I've mixed the two types of soup together, and this is the consistency that I'm looking for. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put the noodles in. And then once the noodles start going, I'll add the chicken back in, and then we do the mixed vegetables last. Okay, guys.
Roll with the punches.
Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the
if you're still here, great. Thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I thought the music was great and it just went along with the whole vibe that I was feeling while I was cleaning. So I hope you felt my energy and that you were inspired and motivated to clean right along with me. I purposely did not do a whole lot of voiceover on this video because, like I said, I wanted it to be fun and light and not so serious. But if you want me to do another voiceover to this video with more details, please let me know in the comment section. I would be more than happy to do that for you. But for now, let's go ahead and finish this up and finish dancing.
From my past, sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye, don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why I'm not Gemini. My love, my love, my love. You found, you lost. Don't be out with everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is all I see. Is that
The next time, you already know what it is.